Most people zone out during the safety talk, but knowing these steps could save your life. First, buckle your seatbelt low and tight across your hips. It keeps you secure if things get bumpy. Next, count the rows to your nearest exit, both ahead and behind. In an emergency, smoke or darkness can make it tough to see, so knowing the quickest way out is key. If you hear brace for impact, get your head down, feet flat, and arms over your head. This position protects your head and helps you stay put. Once the plane stops, stay low to avoid smoke, grab your life vest if needed, but don't inflate it until you're outside. Follow the lights on the floor to the nearest exit and move quickly, but don't push. Leave your bags behind, your life matters way more than your luggage. Finally, always pay attention to flight attendants. They're trained pros and your best guides if things go wrong. You can't control everything, but knowing these steps, that's flying smarter.